Today you're going to take your binder quiz for quarter 2 in language arts. Make sure you put your name and your class number at the top of the page. The first section is DOLs, so turn to the DOL section of your binder. Hopefully your DOLs are in order from 6 through 1, but if not, you'll just be going the opposite direction as you flip through the pages of your binder. Number 1, look at DOL number 6 and write the first sentence from Monday correctly. Number 2, look at DOL number 5 and write the second sentence from Thursday correctly. Number 3, look at DOL number 4 and write the first sentence from Thursday correctly. Number 4, look at DOL number 3 and write the first sentence from Thursday correctly. Number 5, look at DOL number 2 and write the second sentence from Wednesday correctly. Number 6, DOL number 1. Look at DOL number 1 and write the first sentence from Monday correctly. Number 7, we're back to DOL number 6. What is the answer to number 5 on Wednesday? Number 8, look at DOL number 5 and list the answer to number 3 from Monday. Number 9, look at DOL number 4 and list the answer to number 4 from Tuesday. Number 10, look at DOL number 2 and list the answer to number 5 on Thursday. The next section is vocabulary, so turn to your vocabulary section of your binder. For number 11, you need to look at your vocabulary review list for weeks 1 to 5 and write the 17th word on the list and then the 46th word on the list. On the second page, we continue in the vocabulary section of our binder. Number 12, look at your vocabulary for week 5. What's the sentence that's written under the picture for dread? Number 13, keep looking at week 5. What part of speech is jubilant? For number 14, look at your vocabulary week 4. What does the definition for despite say that it sounds like? Number 15, also in week 4, write the sentence for transpire that starts with the word about. Number 16, look at your vocabulary week 3. What part of speech is arduous? Number 17, also in week 3. Which word uses a bus in one of its example sentences? For number 18, look at week 2 vocabulary. Which word shows postal service trucks in its example? Number 19, continue looking at week 2. What's the name of the unruly dog that likes to run away? And number 20, look at week 1 vocabulary. What animal is wearing a tuxedo in the example picture? The next section is grammar and writing. Turn to your grammar and writing sections of your binder. Number 21, look for the preposition song and name the last word of each stanza or verse in the preposition song. There's space for 3. Number 22, look for the identifying linking verbs in your notes. What's the last sentence in the identifying linking verbs section of your notes? The very last sentence. And number 23, look for your AWUBIS paper. What does the U stand for in AWUBIS?